Alright, so the new laser cutter, the GWEIKE LC1390 is finally in Sweden. I just took the plywood off and it looks really well packed. And there's some fan, this is a cooler I guess. And I was surprised to find that they actually even have a really high quality TP-Link Wi-Fi connector or a router as well. So that made me happy. Even a toolbox inside. The only thing that is a little bit worrisome is this. Apparently when they have lifted this with a truck forklift, they lifted too narrowly and the bottom bent. Most likely that's a problem, but easy to fix I assume. Alright, so next video will be a little bit more with the unpacking and see what's inside.